Alright, it's actually been a very long time since I've made a JavaScript video, but I'm going to use ChatGPT and whatever absent knowledge that I have of JavaScript, which is barely nothing, to create a polynomial generator because in my pre-calc class, I've been learning how to graph polynomials, and I would just like to be given random polynomials so that I could practice graphing them because honestly, it's actually very fun because it's like really nice seeing the graph come together and it's like crazy. Anyway, yeah, I need random polynomials, and yes, I could just ask ChatGPT to give me random polynomials, but I like to see it, programmy way. Does that make sense? It's not a sentence. I like to see it being programmed. Anyway, um, so let's do this. So I'm gonna create a function. I'm gonna call it, what am I gonna call it? Generate polynomial. And I do need a degree, and I don't want to be given to coefficients. What did ChatGPT say? Oh, coefficient range. I don't really care for that, but okay. Coefficient range. Okay, so let's add that one. So then what happens? Trying to understand. So we're gonna let coefficients be an empty array or list, whatever. Oh, it's an array, okay. So let's do that. So we're gonna let coefficients be an empty array. And I'm not sure, is that within the function or not? Use a loop to generate random coefficients within the specified range and push into the coefficients array. The loop should start with the highest degree term and go down to the constant term. So for I is equal to degree, if the degree is greater than 0, then subtract 1. So let coefficient, so like round, get a random coefficient range. What is the coefficient range? Like, what are the, oh, up until 10? Confusion. So if it's through 10, then I guess it, oh, okay, it picks any coefficients up until, it could either be from 0 to 10, I believe. Okay. So, okay, so we're gonna do math at random. So get a random number, 10, round it, plus 1. Oh, because it doesn't include 10. Okay. So it's 1 to 10, but it doesn't include, you know what I mean? Okay. Then push the coefficient. Really? That's how you do it? There's no like append? That's crazy. Is that a normal thing? I don't even know. So for I is equal to degree, I is greater than blah blah blah. Alright, let's do this. So I'm pretty sure. Alright. So for I is equal to degree, well, as long as I is greater than, less than, what is it, the coefficient? Greater than or equal to 0, as long as the degree, because if it can't be negative, right? I mean, it can, no, because negative, then it's not a function. Is it? Am I going crazy? No, because you can't have negative exponents, exactly. So, then subtract 1. So then what we're doing is we're letting the coefficient be equal to all this. Let me see. I'd like to write it myself so I learn. So we let the coefficient be equal to math.floor, which basically just rounds. Pick a random number within the coefficient range and then add a plus 1 because I'm assuming if I put in 10, it's really going to go up until 9. So, and we don't want 0. Yeah. Or maybe, no, yeah. So then we're going to take coefficients, and it's kind of like Python's append, but instead I guess here it's push. And then we're going to add that coefficient in there. Nope. All right, let's see what's next. Okay. Interesting. So math.random generates a random number between 0 and 1. So we multiply by the coefficient range to get a random number within that range, right? And then because we are flooring it, then it's going to be a whole number. Return the coefficients array as a string in the polynomial form, for example. So return coefficients dot join. Interesting. So we're joining x plus what? As a string. I don't even know what that means, but we'll see what happens. So let's see, if I do generate polynomial and I put in, let's say, degree 3, how does that even make sense? Is there any way I could do this? Nope. Yes, maybe so. What about console.log? Huh? What did I do wrong? Blah 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 blah. Did I forget to close it? No. So what did I do wrong? Oh, we have to set it equal to a variable. Okay. So in this case, I would say polynomial is equal to that. Then we can console.log polynomial and hope for the best. And obviously, you're so smart. Okay. Let's try this. Are you kidding me? Oh, can't syntax error. Where is the syntax error? Sorry, be quiet. Did I use the weird? I forgot what the syntax is even called. I forgot how to write a function without the other syntax. So smart. Okay. Not me mixing up both syntax. Syntai. I don't even know what they are anymore. What's the issue now? Hmm. 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 What's the difference? Okay, function. Okay. Am I going crazy? It didn't. What? Not me literally forgetting everything. This is what happens when you don't code for a week. It's not even there because I deleted it, you dummy. Like every day. Thank God. Finally. Alright. This is horrible though. How do I get it to be pretty? Let's write this again. I mean, how do I get it to be like. First of all, I don't want 0, okay? I don't want terms raised to the 0 power. Are you serious? Hmm. If polynomial is not equal to 0. Are you kidding me? What? So if coefficients, like just don't add. Just don't add any zeros. That's like all I'm saying. Are you kidding me? This is a joke. There's been a library already. Are you get out? What? Wasting my literal time? There's no way. Okay, so we have to do this by ourselves so we can learn. Alright, so we're doing a constant variable math. Oh my god, is that how you import libraries in JavaScript? That's cute. So we require this library. Right, then we're getting the degree, which never changes. If I set that equal to 3, then we're going to change the coefficient range and set that equal to from, I don't, what? I mean, yeah, we could have negative coefficients. So, but I want from negative 5 to 5. And yeah, so then we'll do a const. No, I want to do a var polynomial and then say math dot polynomial. Do I even need the math? Math dot, no, I don't think I need it. Random, and I'll take a random number with a coefficient. I'm pretty sure this is like, I don't think this is real code. It sounds iffy. I don't know. Yeah, this is weird. And I think math is already there. Like, what is going on? Is it capital M? I knew it! I cannot believe this ChatGPT is a liar. JavaScript function that generates polynomial. It's literally such a liar, like. No. 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 Right, so we should like probably go back to what we were doing. It was wasting my time. Let's see. Oh my god. What? What are you talking about? What did I do wrong? Of course. Console.log polynomial. Um. Hmm. No, I meant an easier way to tell it, not to have not to have variables raised to 0. That's what I wanted. Like, no, 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 no. Why can't we just select it with the? Oh my god, why? If coefficient is equal to 0, and if polynomial is not equal to whatever, doesn't make sense. Polynomial is equal to plus. What does that even mean? Yes. Okay, that's I'm not, can you just okay. Coefficient of the current item is non-zero. If the coefficient is zero, we don't need to include the term of the polynomial string. This appends a plus to the string without the first term being added. This ensures the polynomial is probably formatted with plus signs separating the terms. Oh. This appends the current term to the polynomial string. If the current term has a degree of 0, we append only the coefficient. Oh. If the degree is greater than 0, we append the coefficient and the variable x. If the degree is greater than 1, we append the exponent using the symbol. Oh my god, that's amazing. Yes. Love that. Let's put that in before return polynomial. I don't think. Oh. Interesting. So we set the polynomial equal here. That's interesting. So it's this. Oh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. So then, depending on what it is, we add it here. Function. What did I do now? Yay! That's so beautiful. Now I need to make it pretty though. Is there any way that I can? Let's do some WebDev here. I'm gonna do an H1, call it polynomial generator. And let's go to Google Fonts if I could ever spell it. I want something fun. Okay, no, it's not giving. Yes. No. 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 Mm. Maybe. 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 No. 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 I did see one that I liked. Brushalicious. Alright, let me go to 400, because it's literally the only one it has. Copy this. Go to the head tag. Oh, come on. Put that right in here. Take the CSS and select everything for now. I'm just gonna put that in there. Nice. Alright, let me go add the card. Actually, in the card, I'm gonna have an H1. And, hmm. Actually, I think I'll just do this, and I'll just give it an idea of Polly. And so I'll just take hashtag Polly, and I'll also take a card, give it, first of all, a border, oops, 5 pixels, solid black, save that, okay, give it a height of 700 pixels. Oh, no, we're not doing pixels anymore. I'm trying not to do pixels. Let's do which is actually a lot. So let's try something like 4. It's still like a lot. 20 rem. 20 rem. So let's do 120. Are you kidding me? Never mind. Let's do 50. 50. Much better. let's go and display that. So let's take the body, give it a display of flex. Okay, give this a height of 100 VH so that it is able to actually align in the center. What the heck is this? Did I spell this right? There we go. Then I also want to give this a display flex, the card. So that's in the middle here. And then I also want to give a poly a font size of, let's say, whoa. And then also give it a text align center. Nice. Let's go to colors, palette generator. Get out of here, get out of here. Actually, oh no, I like that. Let's do, like, it's kind of like beachy. So I could do, I don't know, maybe something like background over here with this color, but then maybe the card can have a background of this color. Ugh, that's ugly. Do I like that? Probably not. Never mind. Let's do. Actually, maybe it's not that bad. The card can use a border radius of. That's cute. Maybe a different background color. I don't know if I like that. Maybe I need to switch the background colors. I have no idea if I like that. I really don't know if I like this. I also need a button. I'm very concerned right now. I'm not liking the colors. Maybe it's just too big. Well then now that's just ugly. Maybe the border radius can be like 7. I hate the colors. They're always the same. How about this with this? I don't even know if I like that. I guess it's fine. Alright, polynomial generator. Then we're gonna go to JavaScript. And I'm gonna say var, I'm gonna call it poly document dot get element by ID. And we're gonna call it poly because we have ID poly here. And I'm just going to say poly. Actually, I should create a function. Over here, it shouldn't return the polynomial. it should really just create a var polynomial and then take poly.text content and set it equal to polynomial. But I only want this to happen. No, that's not what I really want. This is difficult. I only want this to happen when a button is clicked. And I don't even have a button. This is so annoying. But I just don't even know where to put the button. Oh my god. So I guess the body is gonna have flex direction columns so that it's on top of one another, and then we also need a gap of like 1 EM, but then we also need to take the button itself and give it a font size of 10 rem. I don't even know what that means. I just guess. Too much. Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. This is so hard because then it's gonna have to have, I don't know, width 100%. See, that's an issue. Why? Why does this happen to me? Let's create a container. And put that button in there. And then actually give the container a flex direction of column and all this stuff. And we also need the gap. And then it should work now. The 100% for the button. There we go. But then I also want it to have the same border radius. How much do I have it? I don't even know if it's going to be the same. Because I don't know what it's relative to. Whatever. It's so ugly. So generate, we'll also have to do the same color as the card. And then I just think it's so ugly. Huh? What just happened? Okay, whatever. So let me get the button, let me give it an ID. And let's do BTN, BTN, and then btn.add event listener. What am I doing? Click, and then run this function, right? So I think that should work. But then I don't think this actually works. I think we would have to do another one. I think we would have to say return polynomial, but then create a function called run when clicked, and then put this function inside. And tab everything. And then we're really gonna generate, not generate, but just put in this function. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I forgot to get the, you know what, I give up. At least I got that. That's pretty, but it's horrible. Um, what if I change the width? I mean, I'm so excited. Anyway, what if I change, where's the card, bro? I'm so confused. The height of it to be like 20. It's horrifying. And then the width to be like 70. We need some padding. Oh, you know what we need to do? I need to go here and say margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. That's horrifying. I hate the border. Oh my god, that's even worse. Oh my god. What if I do 20? Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? But 20 works? I'm so confused. Well this looks nicer. But the thing is, I want more padding. I'll just say padding. Um, are you kidding me? I give up. Doesn't even matter. I just hate it. What about the width? Maybe the width can be something like 80. That's much better. Okay, I'm good with that. This 2 literally doesn't change. And then this color over here. Oh my god, I don't have my color picker. That's not what I meant. Let me open in the generator. Which color was it? This nice green one. Let me just pick a shade. 2 shades darker. And go to button, hover, background, and then just paste that in there. Nice, nice. So generate, 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 generate. All right, that's pretty. Um, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that because tomorrow I might iterate this and just give options for input for the degree and the coefficient range, but for now that just ain't happening. So 3 and 4. Okay. I also want to make it responsive. What is like I'm so confused. Like where is like all my all my tabs just like deleted. Like I have no extensions, no nothing. I'm so confused like where all my extensions went. Let's go to Chrome. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, this is horrible. Let's fix that. So, at least it was a little better. Let's go to CSS. Let's see if I remember this. Media only screen and something 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 max width 600 pixels. What am I doing? What am I doing? Body. I don't even know anymore. I have no idea. We could take the body and give it a width. I just want to see if I could change this really quickly. No, that's just horrifying. Oh, you know what the problem is? The card has its own height and width. So the card, we're gonna say height, like let's say like, this is horrible, 2 rem, and then the width, you know what, I give up. The container, the button, the card is the only thing that's weird. So let's do the card, 200 pixels with 200 pixels. Let's see what that does. Like, what's going on with this thing? I don't even know. Only maybe the padding. Oh, the font size too. But that's for Poly. Maybe I should have done EM instead of REM. Yeah, maybe. Ugh. This is so annoying. I'm so confused. Width? Thank you. Thank you. Honestly, I think this is cuter. Never mind. Okay. Why is it doing that? Where's the font size? 10? So weird. Hmm. I'm so confused. Are you serious? You know what I can do? I can just say poly dot style dot font size to em. There we go. I would like it to be bigger. Maybe 4, or is that still too big? That's so annoying. Maybe I can give it like a margin of 10 pixels. So useless. Why doesn't it work? Like, I don't understand why it's being like this. Let's pull down the height of it. And then the border radius is weird. Okay. Let's do 30 pixels, and then let's also do like margin of 10 pixels. Mm, useless. Margin of 30, 20. I don't know. At least. Oh, but it's not this that I have to worry about. It's the container. Are you kidding me? Just why? What is even with the container? Does it not have a height? Useless. Maybe I should just do the card. Where is it? Are you kidding me? I literally give up. I can't do this anymore. Like, why is it so hard? Yeah, well, we'll do this tomorrow. I'm gonna go. Bye.